It's your boy Swabby Dobby, owner operator of Perfect Touch Auto Glass in Richmond, Virginia. Today, here's your free tutorial on how to replace a windshield. First, you want to get your 1/2 inch cold knife in between the glass and the pencil, and you want to ride that glass. And if you haven't cut it out yet, you want to get your 1.5 inch and repeat the process all the way around the windshield. Then next thing you want to do, you want to get your extractor, express to a Stingray or whatever device you have. Flat blade side, glass side. Then you want to come through with your long knife or your scraper. You really want to pay attention to what you're doing right here, because this is where your skills come in at. Take your time and remove the old polyurethane from the pinch wheel. Remember, take your time. Over here in this section right here requires skill, because depending on the last installation, it's going to determine your set base. You gotta take your time doing it. Clean her up. That's very important. Then you want to take your long knife and remove the bottom section of it, about 1/8 of an inch. You want to leave on the pinch wheel about 1/8 of an inch. Urethane sticks best to urethane. And you want to make sure you have a smooth surface all the way around. Yes, this is your free tutorial. Then, glass preparation. If your windshield requires a molding other than universal that comes purchased in a pack, technician tip: heat it up on the dashboard. By heating it up on the dashboard, you make the molding soft and flexible and very easy to work with. If you do not heat this molding up, you will have a tough time putting this molding on that windshield. So technician tip is to place the molding on the dashboard, heat it up. Make your life way more easier. As you can see here, having those. And then the thing is, you want to butterfly it. You see me pushing down on my right finger and pulling it up, butterflying it to open up the lips. Clean the glass, prep the glass. Most products use an activator. The product I use doesn't require activator, but I have an all-in-one primer, so I use it as an activator. There's nothing wrong with going the extra mile. Prime the pinch wheel, moving right along. I like to start all the way at the other end and come all the way across. I'm running around B here, fellas. Most technicians across the world would say no, use a VB. I do not support the VB unless I have to use the VB, and this is not one of those situations. This is a rain channel set, so VB is not necessary. Really take your time. I almost got it perfect. I've been running, doing auto glass for a long time. Running a bead is nothing to me. Take your time when you're doing this. And then you want to join up your corners, your connection points. Really smooth out or adjust your bead to your liking. Get the windshield and saddle. I like to use those little blocks off the windshield, that setting block. It works so good, so good. Now I'm done. Yeah, it's your boy Swabby Dobby, owner operator Perfect Touch Auto Glass in Richmond, Virginia. Holla at me.